Ayan guys, paunahan sila sa online class ay sa graded recitation guys.
It is a principle design about the fact that the design user or viewer's eye takes both through a design, usually to a predetermined path in the design. What is the answer? Only one.
Ma'am, paripis daw po.
It is a line or it is belong to the principles of design wherein the design user or viewer's eye takes to go through the design, usually to a predetermined path.
Report ni Mela yan. Report ni Mela. Bilisan nyo na, try nyo lang. Report ni Mela yan.
Ano ma'am, sa amin po kung lalabas na lang. Kapag sa nila lang na po, sa ibaan nila. Wala na. You don't have any idea for the answer? On nanay on saan?
Ma'am, ilas na daw po. Paripis.
Okay, for the last time. It is about the principle of design, that is the path of the design user or viewer's eye takes to go.
Yan, paunahan kayo ah. Paunahan kayo.
Usually to a predetermined path. Who is the first one?
Upo lang.
That is this or that.
Ulit. 1. Ma'am, magsabi ka ng go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I think it is